You have my heart, and we'll never be a world apart. Maybe in magazines, but you'll still be my star.
Yung tubig na yan. Yung tubig na yon, hindi dito, palilipatin ko doon. Niwala ka. Magbilang ka ng 1 to 10.
Ba't kailangan ko yun? Gawin mo
Oh,
na.
hindi. Kailangan magbilang ng 1 to 10.
3. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
1 to 10.
1 to 10. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pikit ka. Dilat ka. Marami siya. O, 2 beses ka na nautungo sa isang gabi niyan.
Tanggalin mo na to.
Hindi naman tatanggalin. Walang magtatanggal nga. Balak sa buhay mo.
Hindi ka magtatanggal niya.
Wala ka.
Dali na! Babasagin ko. Ito nga to. Kailangan na. Tanggalin mo niya. Oh, bakit?
Wala.
Oh, bakit to?
Walang tutulong sa'yo dyan. Ito kasi ututuwa eh.
Yung iba natanggal yan.
Oo nga, yung iba natanggal nila. Hindi mo ba kayang gumawa ng paraan? Galing. Ayan, ganda yung magic. Ayan. Palilipatin ko itong tubig na to doon. Magbilang ka ng 1 to 10. Lakas mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bilang ka ulit 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mabola ka mo kanina.
Alam mo, tanda ka mo.
Alam mo, kanya lang ako, partner.
Ganyan ka na.
Bakit ito, taka na.
Ganyan ka na nga lang. Bigyan mo namin ng tulungan. Ganyan ka na.
Kamuhanin mo?
Oo.
Kamuhala ko din.
Balak sa buhay mo. Balak sa buhay mo.
Sabi yung magic na eh? Oo, yan niya pa.
Sabi niya.
Tuto.
Oh, yun na yan.
Ano ba yung cellphone ko? Brother ako mamarin, brother.
Ay, ali. Maglalako yung maglalako.
Isang palibatan kay gamat ko. Tanong mo lang ano, tanong mo lang.
Ali. Wala matulog na yun. Ano gagawin mo siya? Isipin mo, ano gagawin mo? Paano mo tatagin?
I just need a couple of people that actually. What's your name?
Eva.
I'm gonna try using you two.
Okay.
We'll just try putting you down here. If I can have you lay down, just like this, perfect. Just lay straight back to me. Okay, good. And could you go around? Okay, you know what? You're a little. If she's around here, you're a little short. All right, you come up for a second. I'm sorry. No offense. You know, good things come in full packages, though. No, that's a good thing. What's your name? Emily, nice to meet you. Could you come right over here for me for a second? And I want you to lay down for me. Okay, perfect, just like that. And put your head back, like this. Okay, put your hands over your, just like that. And grab her wrist for me, okay? Just don't let go of her wrist. And would you be kind to grab her, her ankles, okay? Just grab her ankles. You can pick up her legs. Is that okay? You okay? Okay, good. What we're going to try here is I'm going to ask you to apply equal pressure, okay? Both of you are going to apply equal pressure. and just keep on pulling. All right, just pull as if you want to drag her off the bench. You pull as if you want to drag her off the bench this way, okay? Okay, are you okay? Would you do me a favor, close your eyes for a second? Perfect. All right, good. I want you to apply even pressure. I want you to do is close your eyes. Relax. Relax. And I want you to just pull right now. Just pull. Pull!
Can we ask you?
Yes.
What did you just do?
Unbelievable. I don't know what just happened. Look, I'm drinking. I don't know what just happened. Her legs went one way and her head and the rest of her body went the other way. Scary. Look, I'm just shaking. It's scary.
This is unbelievable how he did that. I don't know. That's amazing.